Every day, millions of shoes are produced around the world. But have you ever wondered how modern shoes are made? The process begins with carefully selected materials. Leather, fabric, foam, and rubber are inspected to ensure durability and comfort. Before production begins, designers create precise digital models.
Vertiginous. Advanced software allows engineers to design shoes that
High-precision cutting machines transform raw materials into perfectly shaped components.
In the stitching department, the upper part of the shoe begins to take shape.
The sole is created using advanced molding technology that provides grip, flexibility, and durability.
The upper and sole are carefully joined together in a precise assembly process.
Before reaching customers, every shoe must pass strict quality checks.
Finally, the shoes are packed and prepared to be shipped around the world. From raw materials to finished footwear, modern technology and skilled workers combine to create the shoes we wear every day.